Hello everyone, we're going to paste these green grass on this blue craft paper. Now take red craft paper, start folding it, now cut it like this. Here we are making lobsters, so make multiple cuts on it. After this we are going to open it, fold it and paste it using double-sided tape. After this we are going to paste eyes, its claws, its legs like we're doing here, its antennas, paste all of them together and put it on the top of this paper. Paste more lobsters and look, it is ready. We're going to paste these orange circles on this white sheet of paper. We are making line here, so draw its eyes, its nose, its mouth using black marker. After this we are going to color the tissue paper orange and make small pieces. Then we are going to put these clay around the line we are making main here. So put all the tissue paper inside it, tap it using a pointy object. Similar way we are going to make the tail, and look here, line craft is ready. Make multiple cuts on green craft paper, roll all the cuts like here we are making the grass. So give it shape. Now fold this yellow strip of paper, make cut from both its sides. A V cut we are making here, remove the paper or you can fold it like this. After this we are going to fold it here, draw the eyes and draw its smiley face and fin. Make more such colorful fishes and paste all of them on the sheet of paper, draw bubbles around it and look, your artwork is ready. Paste green strip of paper on this blue craft paper. We are giving it shape by twisting it. Here we are making grasses and look, it's done. Now fold this yellow craft paper and make a triangular shape like this. Open it and again fold it from its side. We are also folding it from its diagonals like this. Finally press it and make a triangular shape. Again fold it like we are doing here. Here we are making fish, so paste its eyes or you can draw it, paste its fins and make more such colorful fishes and look at the beautiful patterns, draw bubbles around it, add more details and your artwork is done. Paste green grasses on the white sheet of paper. We are pasting them randomly. You can make more such grasses and look at the density. Now we are going to paste the dragonflies. So paste different strip of paper, draw its fins and paste it on the sheet of paper. Make more colorful dragonflies and look, it's ready. You can also paste flowers in circles. We are going to paste dry leaves on the sheet of paper. We are making dinosaur here, so paste its eyes, draw its smiley face and its pointy teeth. We are also cutting the leaves in such a way. We are pasting its legs like this. After this, add more details. We are using different color of leaves here. Then we are going to crumple some leaves and spread it on the ground and look, your artwork is ready. Paste this beautiful Chinon leaf on the sheet of paper. We are making a peacock here, so make the body and we are also drawing its crown like this. Paste its eyes, its beak and draw its leg like we are doing here using black marker. Add more details to the feather. We are making it using Chinon leaves and your beautiful peacock is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.